And in our final construction, we are going to be creating a perpendicular from a point to a line. This particular concept is going to be extremely important later on in Chapter 4 when we talk about triangles. Before we get started, let's talk about the perpendicular postulate. What that states is that given a line and a point not on the line, there is exactly one line through the point that is perpendicular to our given line. Knowing that will make these constructions possible. So let's get started. Here we have line E and we have point O that is not on line E. The idea is that we are going to find the one line that is perpendicular to line E through point O. And believe it or not, this is exactly the same as the construction we just did. First of all, we need to create a segment because we know how to find the perpendicular bisector of a segment. And so I have selected 2 points on the line using my compass set at a single setting. Now we don't know the midpoint of this segment, but we do know that O has to be on this perpendicular bisector. So all that we need to do is find another point in this area that is on that perpendicular bisector. So we will take our compass, we will open it to more than halfway across the segment, and we will make an arc. Then we will not change the compass setting, go to the other end point, and make another arc. And lo and behold, we just found another point. Let's call this point R, this point C, and this point E. So now we can draw in line OE, and line OE should be perpendicular to line CR. And it is. We are good. Can you see how all of these perpendicular constructions are very much like constructing perpendicular bisectors? At this point in time, we have learned to construct various figures. We can construct congruent segments. We can construct congruent angles. We can construct perpendicular bisectors to segments. We can construct angle bisectors. We can construct parallel lines. We can construct perpendiculars from a point on a line, and we can construct perpendiculars from a point not on a line. These 7 constructions are going to start appearing in our proofs, so please remember how to do them.